Kia ora, wakey wakey. Hey, the birds are waking me up. They better watch it now. All had good sleep. See, what I like to do is come out and feed all these birds. Where are they? See, I already fed them earlier. That's the tank right outside the room. Makes a bit of noise. That's all the coconut shells from all the coconuts we've been throwing in. And that's a cockadoo-doo over there. So every time someone turns on the water, this makes a noise. So probably the other rooms are making a noise by turning on the water. Yes, so I'm here to feed the birds, and you see them all come running. Here you go, birdies. Chuk chuk chuk. Look at them. They're not running now. They must be all full. So I threw out a lot of bread this morning. Ouch. Ah, my elbow. Hey, look. That's the beach over there. You can see from the back of this place. Look at them. They're not even running over. Oh, so they're full. Okay. If you guys don't appreciate it now, buddy, I'll be gone today. And you guys will have no more, unless your own owners feed you. Yeah, mate, abako me aia ma o ko, wako ma o ma sort of foot. Come on, buddies. Oops. One fell over there. Oh, there we go. See, they know it's feed time. No one. Oh well, this one must be the latecomers. Okay, come on then. Food time. Choo! Yeah, so that's the big house next door. And they have their balcony. See that balcony looking out to the sea? That's the next door neighbor's house. This is our dark room. Because it's still morning, guys. We have to get ready so we can check out. Yeah. Oh, there's one more piece of bread here. Oh, I'm going back out. Okay. I'm back. That bird tried to take it. Shame. But took one. Yeah, birdie. Hurry. And here, for you. Yeah, roost up. There we go. Yep, this morning there were neighborhood birds running over and everything. Like, no one invited them to the party. But they came anyway, and it was fun. It was so much fun to watch them. Don't better open up this drape. Anyway, this is outside, and they're fixing up the pool down here. I'll take it for a look. See, they just put this on yesterday. That walk thingy over there. They're so good. That's the pool over there. There. They just done this yesterday. I'll show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's nice work. Nice work. It's a pool over there. They just put that, you know, that porch thing on? Yeah, they just put that on. I'll take you guys down to the beach. Ooh, what a beautiful sound. Good morning. Morning. That was a Filipino man. They They like coming here to Cook Island to work. Because look at it. Nice and peaceful. No one gets in your way. Look at the beach. Plenty of rocks down there. It's been beautiful. It's only rained, but not too much rain, but it was only rained once. And that was good. Oh, look what they're extending on. Oh man, some men are so handy. Look at that. Beautiful. I don't know where I'm going, but I better hold on to the rail, huh? Otherwise you will see me or hear me fall, trip over, and ouch. Ouch already. Ouch. Oh man. Whew. Look at that. Oh, far out. Oh my gosh. That was a mission coming down. I'm gonna miss this place, guys. Ooh. I'm gonna so miss Rarotonga. Next time we come, God willing, we are gonna go to Aitutaki and see family. But you know what, I tell you what, guys, it's best, you know, if they are family, it's best to cut a piece for each family member, you know, because everyone wants land, you know, but the end of the story is you never take it with you when you pass away. You go into the land, not take the land. And then I guess if you get your own piece of land, that can be continued on to your children, your grandchildren, if they're interested in coming to the island to like put some investment into it. But it is a good deal because so many people come here for holidays. So if they're wise, they'll keep an eye on what me and their father's trying to do for them, which is trying to start things up, you know, so they can be okay when we pass on. Yeah, I hope they know that, because my children are so stuck in their ways that they just think whatever what's happening with them currently is what's going to be. They don't look further on that what me and their father's doing is like something beneficial for them and their children and their grandchildren as well. Anyway, I better get back up, get our suitcase ready, put it into the car, go and hang out with the sister-in-law for a bit, and then we leave to go away for the airport. Plus we got to give our car back, but we asked the lady don't charge us. Yeah, she said it's alright. I think she's a boss lady. Anyway, I better be off. Okay, come with me. It's a mission to climb back up, but I better hold on to this rail before someone hears me go rolling down. Okay. See the mountains at the background? At the back of that coconut tree. Yeah. I didn't have a swim at the pool. I brought my bikini all the way. I didn't even get to use it. Pool closed, 10 p.m. Okay, that's a good enough time. Some scoopity. Oh, it's so dark in here. I'm trying to pull the tape. Man, when those ladies pull the tape, make it look easy. I'll go and pull it, get stuck. I set my alarm because we have to sign out of this place at 10 o'clock. So we're just getting everything. Look at this. Look at this, guys. No party policy. Gonna miss you, room number 4. No, I'm telling room number 4. You got everything?
Look under the bed.
I didn't put anything under the bed. Okay. Let's go.
I'll just...
Yeah, take it.
I'll go in the office.
This for my little housekeeper. Yep. Leave her a little gift to show my appreciation for their work.
Hey, I go up with Faye everything.
Yes. And I'll meet you. Have you got the key? I'll lock it. Oh, you have to give it to them, so I think we both have to.
I leave it open.
Yeah, okay. Let's go. Oh, Laura, look at you. Look how you didn't care about Cinderella's shoes.
Yeah, you got a bag there.
I was going to put the juice in it. Okay. You're so sad. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, yeah, Danny. Yeah. Okay.
Room number 4. Timberland. Isn't there a Timberland in Monaco? Okay. Just here. What's this? Oh, my shoes. Cinderella shoes. Goodbye, Kitty. Thank you for the hospitality. Walk-in rates available. Okay, that's the house across the road, the blue house. Bye, Kitty. How come we come this way?
Want to put petrol in?
There's no petrol station down that way?
Put the back road. Oh, no.
I thought you said you wanted to go back to the house.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Oh,
That's why we should have just went to the house and stopped over at a petrol station back that way.
all the way to town. Too busy.
Aren't we going into town? Okay, super brown. Might as well get the petrol then. Oh well. Should we go and get a cream donut? One more cream donut from...
That's if June. Cook.
One worker's here. There's 2 there, and there's someone guy that put our petrol in. Yeah, so it's good. There's quite a lot of them working here. There's the Samoan guy. It's not that they're not allowed to come here. Oh yeah, welcome. Hey, Atana tawhanua. Nei? Just joking, just joking. Finish?
Huh?
Yeah, Carl.
Nope.
Why did you ask me?
Because when you heard me say, come on, I don't know what to say. What's that mean?
Oh, no, because you must have saw a suitcase. Have you arrived?
Oh, but I don't know what that means. So I said, oh, sorry, I'm a Raro. But my wife is somewhere.
Ese era o whaikakala.
Well, you got to answer the man.
Well, he asked you, ka ngu mai. He didn't say, hey, what's your wife's nationality? Yeah, super brown. Watch out for the white cat.
So what that means, you landed.
Ka ngu mai. Like, have you arrived? Have you just arrived? Yeah, and then those two other Samoan guys come out of the
Yeah. They must have worked with things. They must have lived across.
two papa something there, Chuck said.
Huh?
The Chuck said two papa something. I don't know what it is. I forgot. Okay, let's look at where you are going. Going a bit fast. You're going 60. This is a 50 zone map. Okay. Elvis wants us to come and have a look one more time. Pass the road, fast, fast. Woo. Yeah, come to have a look. Well, they put the paint here, I think. But I don't know whether.
But I know it's 18 meters in the corner. Somebody needs to.
Yeah, they're probably cleaning up. I'm going to go and look at the other marker. Watch out for the road. So they put this post here. This is supposed to be the other marker. Oh, hi. Yeah, as I was saying, that's the marker there to mark the property. So it goes all the way back there. Where? All the way back there. So I think it's from up there all the way down to down there, straight past these bananas, and then it goes from over there to over there where that boy is working. Oh, I better not stand underneath this coconut. Look, a couple of coconuts fallen over. Yeah, tell his sisters where they got the goats there, so it can chew away at the grass. Yeah. So sometimes they get tied over here, and then they come and do their little plop-plops over here. See their little plop-plops? There's sinkhole over there. See, that's the bark up there. See? He's going, don't worry, little fella. I won't let them hurt you. He's going, Dad. And he's going, don't worry. I'll get the big fella. You get the big mama. There's a pile of coconuts down there. Looks like they're gonna do a bonfire. They say I love Boom Peteret. Oh, that's an old place of my husband's Auntie Lucy's house. Auntie Lucy next door. This is Nana and Papa's old house. So she's got some outside lights on. So the power's on over here. What's the matter? What's your problem? Tell me. What's going on? Eh? Oh, that's better. That's better. That thing goes along so he can walk along and eat the grass. Oh, look at that, it's a butterfly. Hello, Wendy. And that's Uncle Teddy's house. I hear they're busting that down. It's been many, many years when it was put on. But see how that house is like collapsing down, but the brick house still stands, even though it's got some cracks and stuff in it. See this brick thing here in the rope? It helps ties down the house. Watch out for the coconut. See? Yeah. So the shop, I think, will be here. Hey, darling, where are you? Over here? Huh? The shop. A shop. I run it along here.
5 meters from the road. It's like the Cecil's shop. 5 meters.
Yeah, as long as, no, I was thinking here, so we can bring people some cars to park up there, because there's going to be a patio in the front.
Yes, mainly sitting area.
Yeah, and the shop over here.
Auntie, you can use right the fence. You can have it there, so all this is sitting here.
Yeah, maybe.
You have to right against the fence. So it maximizes the space. Poor thing is not at all.
Yeah, this massive. Where's the custard apple? This
That tree.
tree here.
You know, when we come, I'll get a fruit and a seed, and I'll grow it. I'll grow the seed.
Oh, look, there's some like oranges over there.
There's a lemon.
Oh, a lemon tree.
Yeah, there's a lemon tree.
What about that tree? What's that big tree there?
Just like.
Well, that big tree, they will have to go come down too. That one. What? Yeah, all those have to come down. See, this house definitely have to come. So where are they going to fit the 3 units again? So after this to get taken off, that's when they're going to start putting the units there.
No.
What?
Down there, basically. You hear from the edge of the vegetation. Down there, 1, 2, 3 up. This is nothing for later.
Well, we definitely have to move this before they start building.
Come up here.
Oh, I'm scared to go down there. A nail might go through my shoe. Yeah, that's where they put the flag back. Where's your coconut that you put on the end there? Oh, they put another flag thing there. He's not. He just wants a pet. He's. There's so many trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one's going to go down there. I'm just wondering, where's Tamaka here?
Remember over here, he was whispering over here. Over here. Yeah. See, that means that tree is in the outside.
Are you sure it's not here?
No, it's over here. It's 18 meters from the side, 18 meters here. See, there's no dirt over there. It's way over there. Over here, then.
So going down that way. It can't be. It must be over here.
Wait. I saw him quickly over here. Anyway, it's 18 meters from the edge.
Have you got your ruler?
Remember I packed it away? I told you I leave it to Jackie.
Right, right.
These trees are in that side.
This is the avocado tree. We're going to keep the avocado tree. Chop down that tree. Chop down 1, 2, 3, all the way down. Daddy, are you sure it's not here? Look, it's got a water here. Is this the thing that they said they done the water pump? They dig a water pump? I think it's here, Daddy.
Oh, well. Doesn't matter. But it's 18. I know on the map, on the court paper, it's 18.
Where's the thing? If you go and get it now, me and you will know for sure. Where? Hello, my fafa. Because look.
It doesn't matter. We know. It's 18 meters from the corner.
Get the ruler. Okay. Do it. Let's step last him here. Wow. From there, that's the property there. I'll zoom it in a bit to close it up. Yeah, that's the property. Huh?
I'll go home and I'll calculate it. I'll calculate it.
At the wake on loa. That's, yeah, come in. We had a nice little visit, catch up. Hi guys, look what I got given from my sister-in-law. Oh, so pretty. Anyway, so we're turning a hire car back to Raro Cars, Rarotonga Rentals. Am I putting it to the, putting it to the sky? Yeah. Yeah, on our way to the airport. We've just given our car over across the road. See across the road, you can get your car rented from there if you want. If not, okay, find something else. But for the convenient, it's just across the road. So it's 2 o'clock now, but we leave at 4:20. So we've got 2 hours to muck around. And we gave all our leftover money and coins to our sister-in-law. Well, to my sister-in-law. That's a nice big van. So when everyone comes through, they see taxi, hire cars, hotel. What is it?
My bag, I left it.
What bag?
My passport.
Where was it?
On the seat. Drag it over.
Oh, we gotta get something. Then he always goes on about me being disorganized. Now look who's disorganized, proof of his disorganization. Hello. Where was it? Was it still in there? Was it still in there?
Yeah, I put it on the seat. It was where I left it.
Mm. Yeah, well, next time be organised.
Because I told we were going to come back inside and sign some papers.
No.
But she said, oh no, you're good to go.
Yeah, well, we should have receipts.
Right.
Yep. Excuse me. That was a good exercise for you to run back against the bag. Ha ha ha. Next one. Excuse me. That's Thing at the counter. Gauda's sister. What's her name? The one that's the one that used to stay at Jack Brown. Gauda's sister.
Benrin.
Yeah, that's her at the. That's her up there.
Is she working here or a passenger?
No, she's checking in too. That's her at the white, walking away from the counter right now.
Benrin?
Yes. How can you not remember? Oh, that's her. See? Have a look. Close up. Yeah, that's her.
Oh, yeah. The hair.
Yeah, sit down. No, it's the whole face.
No, that's it.
I would say colourful. Colourful like my personality. Anyway, he had a nice exercise getting his bag. Mike, yeah. Anyway, our seats, the girl, she wanted to put us right at the back, give us more exercise. We'll get it in a minute.
What do you want?
Fussy.
What do you want?
But I always have to give you the outside seat, and I have to sit. Well, don't be jealous if it's next to a nice, handsome looking man. And it looks so colourful. Am I the only one colourful one in here? I think so. They look like the airplane tail. Look at the tail of the airplane. Go, bam! We're on board, guys, and it's a full flight. Island. This way it's always a full flight. Okay.
Folks, good afternoon. Flight Service Manager speaking. Welcome aboard our 777-200 aircraft. We're very shortly now underway to Sydney, Australia. In preparation for departure, we do ask you to take your seats as soon as you can, keeping aisles clear, allowing people to pass you, making their way to their seats. Placing bags into overhead lockers under the seat in front of you for departure. It would be of some great assistance if there is a locker open above your head. If you could jump up now and help the flight attendants by closing the lockers